Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you 3 simple and easy DIY desk organizers from waste. I managed to decorate my tiny desk that I created with some previous DIYs and DIYs I'll show you today. So watch till the end to know how I placed all the DIYs on my desk. Let's begin with the first one, in which I'll show you to make mini container to keep tiny things that we usually lose. For this, you will need an empty tape roll and a circle-shaped cardboard of the size of the roll's diameter. Stick them together using white glue. Decorate it as you like. You can paint, do illustrations. I simply stuck pattern paper using Mod Podge. And finally covered the top edge of the container with some gold paint. For the next, let's make pocket-friendly version of the mini clear glass board. Take a rectangular or any shape cardboard that you want your board to be and mark the frame portion and cut it. Next, paint it. I'm using grey chalk paint and I will be giving some details with gold paint to match the pattern paper I'll be using as background, which you'll see in a moment. Now take another cardboard of the same size and stick any pattern paper, or you can also choose to paint. Then you will need this plastic packaging sheet. These you will get usually from paper packaging. You can also use OHP sheet, but I wanted to show that it can be done with this packaging sheet too. Use single layer of the sheet and stick it on the back of the frame using tissue tape or white glue. Make sure you stretch it properly while sticking it. Now stick a ribbon loop on the cardboard like this to hang it on the wall, or you can also use tack it and stick the board directly onto the wall. Now glue down the frame on top, and that's it. Moving on to the third one. Most of us all have these mobile box lying around house. I'll show you how to turn this into an organizer very easily. If you have this contact paper, which is also called wallpaper, I got it from Amazon. Use this to decorate the box. If you don't, you can also paint, but consider applying a coat of gesso before painting. Otherwise, the paint will come off with usage. This method of sticking contact paper is so hassle-free, and I also cover the inside later. Next, take old empty ballpoint pen and remove the refill, tip, backing, rubber part and the sticker. You'll need 4 in total. Now stick these to the corners of the box like so using super glue or Fevikwik. Applying little more glue on the sides. Next, take the bottom part of the box. I didn't do much to this as white was going pretty well with the marble design I used. I just covered the inside. Stick this box to the pen, and that's it. Just applying more glue so that it's sturdy and firm. Now have a look on how I placed my stationery on my new DIY organizers. You can use any marker. Make sure that you don't use a permanent marker. It can be easily erased off with a cloth or damp cloth. This is a decoupage art on an old glue bottle. If you are interested in decoupage art, you can watch my beginner's tutorial or decoupage video, which I'll link down below. And this is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out my other videos on DIYs and jam channeling. Bye.